Sending emails with SendGrid. SendGrid enhances Acumatica's native ability to send email by providing automated tracking, subscriber management, and improved email delivery management using your company email domain. You can use SendGrid for sending newsletters, marketing email, or transactional mail. Initiate email inside Acumatica and utilize SendGrid's email delivery engine to reach your customers. Planning and communication is easy because Acumatica has a record of your contacts and accounts with their purchase history, AR status, and more. This allows you to build dynamic marketing lists so you can send informative and actionable email that customers and prospects really want. Start your email by selecting an account that is linked to SendGrid using a native Acumatica plugin. Utilize designs you create in SendGrid to prepare professional, eye-catching email using a drag and drop interface. When ready, send email immediately or on a schedule. As emails are delivered and opened, you can track statistics in Acumatica or run reports in SendGrid. Let's see this work inside Acumatica. In this example, I'll send email to customers who purchased a computer and I'll offer them a discount on a support plan. I started with a pre-built SendGrid design, which I customized using the simple drag and drop interface. I added custom pictures, modified text, and include links that I want to track. Inside Acumatica, I used that to create an email template. My from email address is linked to an email account that utilizes SendGrid. This activates the button that opens a wizard so I can import one of my SendGrid designs. When the import is complete, I can make modifications to the design using a visual or HTML editor. Next, I create a mass email. I start by selecting an account that is linked to SendGrid. Next, I select the email template that I just created. Instead of appending my template, I'll replace all the fields and text that I bring in. Now I select who I want to send the email to. I can send it to one or more campaigns or marketing lists. In this case, I'll use my upgrade marketing list. This is a dynamic list driven by a generic inquiry. I can drill into the inquiry to show how this is managed. For a demo, this is a rather long list of users. So I'll reduce the size of my list by editing the generic inquiry and modifying the selection criteria on the Conditions tab. After refreshing my list, I now only have one member. Instead of changing the GI, I could also have made changes directly or convert to a static list if I want more control over recipients. Now I'm ready to send my mass email. In the Messages tab, I can see the emails that were created and check their status. I can also create a dashboard to show how to get operational statistics. Beginning with 2026 R2, we will include a much better dashboard that ships automatically with the system. Rather than wait a few minutes, I process this message manually. I can immediately refresh my widgets to get updated statistics that include the email I just sent. Now I'll show how the email looks when the prospect receives it. Note that I can click one or more of the links. Clicking a link will automatically send information to SendGrid, which forwards it to Acumatica. This automatically updates my dashboard. If needed, I can drill down to the specific email to learn more about the number of opens and clicks. SendGrid can be used to track any email you send, including automated operational emails. Here's an invoice that I can email to a client. This can be automated, but I'm sending this one manually. When the email is sent, the system automatically attaches a copy to my current document. Normally this would process automatically, but I'll move the process along. In my Tracking tab, I get a near real-time status of my email. This is useful, but statistics depend on the receiving email platform as well as user-specific settings. Once again, if I switch over to my Outlook, I can see that the email arrives and additional actions that I take will be recorded directly inside Acumatica. SendGrid complements standard Acumatica email by improving email delivery, automating tracking and reporting, and managing unsubscribes, spam reports, and bounces and more. Using SendGrid, you can do professional email marketing, publish newsletters, track one-on-one emails to prospects, and deliver transactional documents such as bills, dunning letters, purchase orders, and more. For more information, visit the Acumatica website or contact your Acumatica reseller.